Hello everybody, this is Khashiyar. Welcome to part 4 of Crossy Road game with Pygame. So until now we have our player and our car which is not moving. So in this part we are going to move the car and change the heading and maybe fix the collision. Okay, for moving, it's very easy. It's almost same as the how we move the player, but we need to have direction, which we created last time. Directions is a list of two direction, left and right, and also maybe we need to have self dot position, which will be a list of different lines. So we will find out later, but let's say it's just a list, and then we need to make it like positions and self dot position equal for now. I'm not sure if we need to use random, because I want to create 3 lines, left to right, right to left, and on top again left to right. So I'm not sure for now. Self the position will be let's say it's just null for now. On vinyl. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. Then let's fix the movement. Let's say the direction is right, and before that let's say self dot rect dot x plus equal self dot speed, and that would be enough to move the car, but it's going backward. Okay, and we will fix that later. So then here, if self dot direction equal right, then self dot rect dot x plus equal self dot speed, and elif self dot direction equal left, self dot rect dot x minus equal self dot speed. Okay, but the problem is when the direction is to the right, the car is moving backward. So here we can fix it by if self dot direction equal right, then self dot image equal should be Pygame, I think, dot transform dot rotate, and should be self dot image, because we are rotating the image, and the degree, let's say 180. And so when the direction is right, is taking the image, is rotating, so the head of the car will be to the right, and after is moving to the right. But when it's to the left side, because the original image is already head to the left, so we didn't need to do anything. Let's save it and run it. What is define move? Save the move. What's 72? Okay. One more time. Okay. Here's the thing. We need to get a new image to not back and forth from original image and new heading. So here we have self dot image equal pygame dot transform dot scale self dot image to self dot width and self dot height. So it's actually the exact thing what we did here in our class. Let's see how it's now. It's the same. It's same. Okay, let's think how to fix it. Okay. Okay. What about we take the image one more time? So we call it self.image equal car underscore 1. So we start everything again here. We don't need to reuse the image what we load there. So we just get it also here. And okay, now it's better. Now it's better. And for the movement, the check borders, I don't know what we will do for border checking. Border checking. But I mean, when the car goes out of the screen from the right side, I'm thinking like we need to change the car and with random speed and random time, maybe appear in a different line or reappear in the same line but in a different time. But for now, to just find out like everything is okay, like we can say, for example, if self dot direction equal right, and if set the direction equal right, and if self dot rect dot left is greater or equal to screen width, it means the back of the car, then self dot rect dot right is 0, so it will come back to the screen from left side. If there's something, yeah, but this is not what we want to happen in a game. It's just a test. And also we can do it for another side, and elif self dot direction equal left, and if self dot rect dot right smaller or equal than 0 equals 0, and then self dot rect dot left, it will be like screen width. That should do. Again, going to right, let's check it one more time until it goes to left. Again right, position, random choice of direction. Okay, go to the left. Go to the left. No? How is it possible? Why every time it's going to the right? It should go to left also. Oh. Oh, okay. Then we are lucky now. Alright. Now let's take care of the collision. We don't need to use the group collide for now, I guess. We can just do it with collide rect. So here, if self dot rect dot collide rect with player, then just for test, player kill. Like remove the image, player image from the screen. Let's say player is moving up. Boom. Okay, the collision is working. But now we want to have some sort of impact impact effect. So the player just jump back the size of the width or size of the height of the player, or something, some random number. And to do that, if player is lower than the car, will jump back, jump down, or player is higher than the car, is jump up. So here we can have something like this: if self.rect.y is greater or equal to player rect.y, player.rect.y, then when it's impact player.rect.y plus equal, let's say, player.width, means when the player is lower than the car and it bump to the car, it will just come even lower, it just jump back. And here elif self.rect.y smaller or equal than player.rect.y means the car is lower than the player, then player.rect.y should be minus equal player.width. Yeah, player.width, just like that. So let's see, yeah, my typo. Instead of if, I wrote pif. If set the right if set the right question, if, and then what I'm writing, and here should be his elif set the rect, that's why actually this should be here. All right, let's try it. Cars go to the right, nothing. How it's possible? Where is the collision? Where is the collision? Where is the collision? Shouldn't be one more time. How is it possible? Boom. Yeah, it's working. I don't know why it didn't work in the first place. The first time. No, it's not working. That's very strange. That's odd. Rect.self. If the direct collide rect player. If the direct is a player, let's say print collide. Okay. Collide. Are we killing the player? If set the rect collide rect player, parenthesis player. I don't see any error here. What's going on? Maybe Okay, I think this should be a problem. All right, this should be a problem. This shouldn't be here, and it should work now. Should work. Let's get rid of this print here, and it should work now. Yep, side, and let's say up. Okay, all right, now we have our collision. The car is moving and the player is moving, the collision is detecting. We can detect the collision, but next time we are going to create 2 more lines with a couple of different cars, and hopefully put a bunch of jelly beans, which they are like his friends or whatever, they are waiting for him on another side of the street. So, and maybe we can actually we should put some coins, like this jelly bean is collecting coins and trying to cross the street, something like that. You can come up with your story. It really doesn't matter. Okay, that would be all for today. I hope you like it, and as always, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in next video.